Catherine Bernardo update. Yung post ni Catherine, sabi niya, "We got you this March 29 to 30. Filipino talent will be take center stage. Join us for the much-awaited comeback season of Pilipinas Got Talent." Yun, no? Ito pa nga yung picture nila. Kasama yung mga hosts at judges ng Pilipinas Got Talent. Ito yung highlights ni Catherine na interview. Sa media conference.
That's my personal answer. Kasi, di ba, meron tayo sa society, parang especially kaming mga babae, ano na, sad lang na parang kayo yung naglalagay ng ano sa amin. Parang you're hitting us against each other. Parang you're giving us that, okay, competition to, I have to be better than this, I have to be better than her. Parang, it's sad because if kami, mga babae, magsama-sama, parang we become more powerful. And iba yung feeling kapag siguro kami mga babae, especially now, it's Women's Month. Sa lahat na lang dito, happy Women's Month. If we just work together, kami mga babae become so powerful. So instead of putting each other down, sana tayo mga babae magkaroon tayo ng safe space sa atin. Whether it's your family, your sister, a friend, or a mentor. Iba yung feeling kapag meron kang nakakausap na babae na pinapapili sa'yo na you're okay, you're doing a great job, you're safe here, we got your back. So sana, yun yung mas spread natin na instead of pitting us against each other, maybe we can just help each other and let's just stop comparing women. Kasi hindi talaga yung nakakatulong. Sa feeling ko, hindi lang naman sa showbiz, pero sa inyo, sa work nyo, kahit saan tayo magpunta, meron kasing ganun. So, sana mag-break yun, unti-unti. Parang, don't use that to entertain people. Kasi I think women deserve better.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Maganda na message, Catherine. Ayan yung Women's Month. Ayan, maganda pa nga ng outfit, Catherine. No? Grabe yan, no? Pasabog. Diyan sa media conference. Ang Pilipinas Got Talent. Naka-blue outfit si Catherine. Maraming nagulat sa. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is with Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.